Storm?
Yeah, they're to the west, but they're moving to the northeast.
The National
I don't
Weather
know.
Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise County in north central Texas until 2:45 p.m. At 1:39 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 6 miles northwest of Chico to Cottondale, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bridgeport around 1:45 p.m., Chico around 1:50 p.m., Boyd around 2:30 p.m., Aurora around 2:40 p.m., Albert and Decatur around 2:45 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. Stay away from windows and doors, and avoid using corded telephones, unless it is an emergency.